Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Craft Geek Just Tap Mac Tripod. This is a magnetic phone tripod for our iPhone with MagSafe system. 66 inches automatic self-stay with remote control. It's a portable tripod stand for video recording, for traveling, for vacation and vlogging, of course. It's available in black and white on the market. We have an automatic open design, fast and nail-friendly setup. With a single tap, the Craft Geek Just Tap tripod instantly opens into the phone tripod mode. This self-stick tripod for our iPhone is easy to set up one-handed and gentle on our nails. Perfect for quick shots and, of course, for make films, movies, documentations, social media, and so on. We have a strong magnetic phone mount on the end, equipped with a strong N52 magnets for secure clamp-free attachment. This MagSafe tripod perfectly fits the iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 series, including the Pro and the Max and the Mini devices. And delivering a smooth snap-on experience every time. Includes metal rings for the Android phones and non-MagSafe safes. That means you can also use nearly all devices to dock there because you can glue this ring onto it and you can have fun with that. We have dual axis adjustment. Two high joints provide a smooth 180 degrees tilt and effortlessly phone rotation. This adjustable magnetic phone tripod mounts to make it easy to capture low angles, overhead shots, or switch orientation instantly, ideal for vlogging and content creation. The maximum height is 66 inches, extending from a compact 13 inches up to an impressive 66 inches. This selfie stick for cell phones seamlessly adapts from the handheld close-up to the full-body group shots. Perfect for travel, events, live streaming, and creators on the go. And we have a compact and a lightweight build. Folds down to just 13 inches and weighs only 15.850 Z. Makes this magnetic tripod stand easy to slip into the backpack. Perfect for outdoor shootouts. Durable aluminum alloy telescopic pole paired with a lightweight plastic tripod legs keeps it strong yet portable. And upgraded stable tripod base featuring the 11 inches collapsing legs that create a wider footprint for a better balance. Anti-slip rubber feel hold keeps the phone stand tripod steady on grass, pavement, or sandy beaches, even doing a quick adjustment. And the magnetic and detachable Bluetooth remote is really cool. We can easily snap the photos or start videos from up to 33 feet away. The magnetic remote docks securely to the stick. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube content creation, group selfies, or hands-free shoots. You see, magnetic iPhone tripod here by Craft Geek makes a good job. When the battery is low, the indicator light will flash red. We detach the remote control and charge it with the Type-C cable included in the package. The indicator light will turn off when it is fully charged. It has tap to active, really cool feature, instant setup, premium aluminum alloy, MagSafe compatible, Bluetooth remote on the go. We have strong N52 magnets, snap on and stay secure with that. It's just tap it all open design with a single tap on to the ground. The Craft Geek Just Tap tripod instantly unfolds into a stable iPhone tripod, designed for one-handed use, with no risk of damaging our nails. Yeah, that's good for the nails, babe. Yeah. The remote control is equipped with a magnet. We simply pull and remove it from the slot. Detach it back, tripod, we again snap it in place. This model is the MT2M. The product size is 332 to 48 to 39 millimeter. These are 13.07 to 1.89 to 1.54 inches. The product weight is 420 grams. The unfolded length is 165 centimeters and 65 inches. The battery capacity is 50 milliampere hour. The Type C input is 5 volt, 100 mA. The active distance of the remote is 10 meters, 33 inches. The product materials are aluminum alloy and ABS and PC. Oh yeah. And it's easy to operate, as you can see. We can set up Bluetooth by using the pairing mode on our smartphones. Nearly done. Checks down. Yeah, then we are ready. We can mount our smartphone on the position of the MagSafe effective area of the smartphone on the magnetic mount to attach it. Then we can simply adjust the shooting angle. We adjust the shooting angle freely with the MagSafe magnetic mount and the 2-axis rotatable design. And we can then unfold or fold the tripod back again. And the big thing is, of course, tap it on the ground, it will automatically expand. And then we are a compact and portable design ready for good shots. Versatile height adjustment elevates everything. Bluetooth controller, cool thing. But here it's compatible with MagSafe, and without provided MagSafe, you use the magnet rings, which is included. And handheld stability, every frame is so in control, baby. Compact and portable. This only brings us to this brand new Craft Geek Just Tap Mag tripod. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.